Shaking my head at the SMH this year. The semiconductor ETF down more than 20%. Is the chip slowdown just getting started? Let's get to CNBC's Christina Partsinevelos with the numbers. K-Parts in Hudson, New Hampshire.
Nice pun there, Melissa. But you have pretty much the chip industry that's at a crossroads right now. You're dealing with a slowdown in demand where they have to slow down hiring, cut costs, all the while promising to spend billions of dollars building up foundries across the United States. That's why I came to onsemi. This is their second hub that they opened today. And it's not just onsemi. You have Intel, Micron, Global Foundries that are committing billions of dollars in the hopes of getting tax or subsidies from the CHIPS Act or a 25% tax credit. The problem is that's a lot of companies competing for the same pot of money that's going to be spread out over the next 5 years. Intel, probably the most vocal about the CHIPS Act, even though they're bleeding through cash and issued a weaker outlook. I spoke to onsemi's CEO who said it's not about the government handouts for them.
We're already doing it.
Yeah,
you know, we didn't wait. We're doing it. What this will do is continue to do it. That's where I differentiate between onsemi and a lot of other companies that have, to be honest with you, plans on PowerPoints. I have plans in the ground. I have plans that are hiring people. I have plans that are outputting. That's what we do.
There was a press conference earlier today, and the Secretary of Commerce was here. I asked her specifically, when are you going to get these subsidies out? She said they were going to do it in the coming months. But you have to keep in mind, it's anywhere going to be between 25 to 30% of the cost of a foundry, which costs anywhere between $10 and $20 billion. So where's the rest of that money going to come from? Clearly testing the patience of investors. Mel?
K-Parts, thank you. Christina Partsinevelos at onsemi. Is this at all a reason why the chips are trading where they? I mean, is this a factor, do you think, in investors' minds?
In terms of the
of whether or not chips are an investment today?
I think what Steve Grasso pointed this out months ago. Credit to him, saying, you know, a lot of double ordering going on. Watch out in the back half of 2022. You're going to start to see it manifest itself, and we're seeing it happen front and center. I mean, NVIDIA, I get it. Gaming, that's fine. They're going to report on the 24th. If they start talking about data center going lower, watch out. The Intel quarter, and I said it that night, that's the worst quarter that anybody's put up in any sector this entire year. It was a disaster. And then some of these stocks are just flat out expensive. Micron guiding lower. Carter Braxton Worth had a great chart of the stocks. We still are in a declining trend line. So I think these things can continue to go lower. And look at the reversal in NVIDIA today if you want proof positive.
Julie, you agree?
Yeah, I absolutely agree. I think there's no reason why these things can't trade lower. I don't have a good sense of what that, earnings number is going to look like. You can see demand in the consumer devices really falling off a cliff if we do hit a recession. And I'm not 100% sure that industrial is going to pick up that demand. If I have a choice, I want exposure to the latter. But I mean, who knows how it's really going to hold? And so I think they could be expensive even here.
Remember that commercial with the freaky owl, and the kid gave him a lollipop, and he said
Tootsie Roll Pop.
Tootsie Pop, right? Tootsie Pop. What do you got going on behind you? I mean, the inquiring minds want to know, because that thing behind you over your right shoulder, I believe, is a freaky looking owl. You got to tell America here, Jules.
Oh, actually, at my wedding, the theme, all the table settings were little animals, and so we kept the owl. It's like super illegal for me to purchase it, but let's not tell anyone, right? It's just between us.
It's between us.
It's just between us.
We're good. That's fantastic. I mean, she got the owl. Can you imagine somebody got like a cheetah and a hippo?
That'd be amazing.
Amazing.
A hippo. I mean, where would you put that?
Well, I know.
Like in Jeff's office, so empty.